Al-Afia Siddiqui water project. Now, Alhamdulillah, we find the water. We dig about 600 meters inside the ground. The first which we got it, find water. Inshallah, we will buy for this a big generator, and we will build here like 3 rooms and the big tanks, and we will buy inshallah about a lot of tanks car truck to bring this water to people, poor people, Shahid family, refugee camps, and like this. I will thank all people who support and give money for this. Thank you for Al-Fatiha Global and Aid for Syria and One Nation, and for Brother Qasim and Brother Majid and Brother Masood and Dr. Shamila and all who come with convoy to help us here in Syria. I want to thank all brothers in UK and sisters who support us for this. And Alhamdulillah, this water inshallah will be barakah for all people who use it inshallah free. I want to thank you and jazakumullahu khairan.